Coffee is a slow process. It's not a manufactured good. It's something that takes 100 hands to produce, and create, and experience.
It's not what's inside this box. This is a window into the meaningful moments that you might have in partnership with us when you drink this coffee.
We reached out to our customers and we asked them to send us photos of their lives, of moments throughout their day that meant something to them, that were memorable. And that's what we're doing. We're highlighting the lives of the people who are a part of the story of Makeworth.
They're a part of our story. They source from really direct relationships with really badass coffees, really badass importers.
In addition to our cafe, we're really proud to roast and serve customers coast to coast. And part of our wholesale partner program is ensuring that every part of the experience really reflects and helps them succeed in their business. One of those customers, Ancient Gate Coffee in the U District in the Seattle area, is an awesome representation of that.
Coffee tends to be a central focus of community. So I have connected with so many people from so many different countries, backgrounds, occupations.
A guy who started with a dream similar to us, wanting to create spaces for people, just like how we had in mind, serving the best possible coffee and making meaningful moments.
I roast coffee myself, so I'm pretty picky. There's no point in my mind to do a coffee business if the coffee's not blowing people's faces off. And on a regular basis, like at least 10 times probably this week, people come in, they take a sip and they like eyes pop and they're like, what's going on? Like, this is crazy. I've never experienced this before. So that's really fun.
Creating terms and relationships and structure in our roasting program that allows him to have amazing coffees, but also access to anything he needs to be successful in his business.
There's questions that I was able to just call Tim and he'd be like, hey, what's up, what's cracking? And like get the answers and then we can just put them into practice. That is pretty priceless.
We're here to see a total win for their business or their morning cup. So relationship building, being accessible, talking about the specs of the coffee, talking about business needs, talking about anything it takes in order to ensure that they can rely on us to succeed in their own domain.
Growth for us is not just about getting bigger, but it's also about getting better, about being more capable, more reliable, more trusted. And so for us, a big focus this year and going forward is just no broken promises.